Hey out there, all you viewers of A Name Later, how we doing today? Well, we've got yet another treat for you on the channel. Is that box starting to look familiar? I should hope so, because Lafleur and Company is back on the channel. This time, we're going to take a look at the Bradley. Wow, that was just weird. My daughter's little freaking watch just went off. But anywho, stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you every single thing you need to know about this beard oil. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now let's get a couple quick housekeeping things out the way early, okay? First of all, if you like what you're about to see in this video, give me a thumbs up. It's only going to show support for the channel, and I'd be much appreciative of it. Second, if you're under the age of 13, please stop watching this video right now. I really don't want a COPPA violation because you're doing something you ain't supposed to do. And third, new math. Third, I want to take a moment to thank all of you first-time viewers of the channel. Look, I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down below. All right, it's going to be a bit, not big, but small channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, hover over that. It should bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early, and here's why. Simply because I attribute this channel to like a burning clown car. You never know what you're going to see, but damn, it's amusing and it's fun, and I want you along for the ride. Alright guys, for those of you who are familiar, and if you're not, take a look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care, whatever we've brought to the channel. We've brought 2 by Lafleur. This is the 3rd. Lafleur and Company's beard oil is back here on the channel. This is something I really, really love about their presentation. It's really old-timey. I mean, seriously, it is. So your box is designed to look kind of old-timey. And what I love is on the inside of the box, well, plus the fact you get kind of a cool sticker, is the bedding they put in there. It just reminds me of like when bootleggers were hiding whiskey bottles, and whatnot, trying to, do the rum running. It's really cool. It just reminds me of the 20s. And no, that's not why I'm wearing my Boston Scally. I just really love these things, and this one is the newest one from their whiskey line, which is kind of cool, seeing how I was just talking about whiskey running, but still. All right, for those of you who are unfamiliar with the Lafleur beards, it's okay. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on them. I'll be very honest, I found them, when I was going down an Amazon rabbit hole looking at beard oils, and I think they were like on page 72. Doesn't matter, found them, bought, and it's been a successful story ever since. Our first one didn't start off great, but man, has it improved dramatically. You can find them at www.lafleurbeards.com. They are proudly made in the USA out of Dallas, Texas. I love their slogan. It's a premium quality beard oil for a new kind of gentleman. Now, this is what's cool, all right? So this started as a weekend hobby. And I like how a lot of successful small batch guys are hitting it big. That's how they start. They started off as, I didn't like what was there, I didn't like this, I didn't like that, and they made a change. So Gary, the owner, basically wanted to focus on smell as basically, sorry, I've just got done filming like 12 videos, and man, I'm like, ugh. But still, I'm going to get back on track. All right, he wanted to focus on smell as a huge part of a person's memory, and he's very, very true on that. Smell and sound are like the 2 biggest triggers of memories, and are going to bring you back to like an incredible time and an incredible place. So inspiration also came from like childhood moments for him, or his thoughts of friends and family. Now, what I like is he put additional focus on very quality oil that would absorb fast into your skin, condition your hair as well as your skin, and not leave you a really, really greasy mess. Now, think about this for a moment. All of us have been in a position where we've had to go into a big box store and we grab an oil that we're not sure of the properties of, whatever, but, damn it, we forgot our oil. So you start applying it, and right down here on the bottom of your neck feels like the Exxon Valdez after about an hour. So, we've all been there. Something I think is really, really cool, his original oils, like his first original scents, they were named after his friends. So I think that's really freaking cool. I've brought the Lindsay, I've brought the Dimitri, and now, well, we got the Bradley. Okay. Oh, by the way, in case you're curious, there's his social media stuff. You can find him there. Okay. Now, this one rocked me a little bit. It did. The scent profile was bourbon, lavender, and vanilla. When I read that, I was like, my God, I've got to try it. So I did the usual, take it out, put it on. I'll demo that in a moment. Well, not actually putting it in my beard, but how it comes out of the bottle. And that bourbon was, wow. It was a very strong, very punch you in the face. It felt like literally I dumped a shot of bourbon on me. Even my better half, when I came downstairs, she went, "What the hell are you wearing?" And I was like, "Well, it's got, bourbon in there." She's like, "Yeah, wow." It was very massively strong right out of the gate. But it did mellow out over time. But it's that initial gut punch. When you first use it, you're like, whew, yeah. All right, now the ingredients in this one are olive oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, wheat germ oil, aloe vera, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and synthetic fragrance oils. Now here's why he uses synthetic fragrances. He's very upfront about it, and I really, truly appreciate that. It makes my job a lot easier. So he uses synthetic fragrance oils because the range of like natural essential oils is very, very small and very not cost effective. They're really expensive for naturals. So synthetic has a greater range and, at a lesser price point in order to bring good stuff. I hope I'm describing that accurately. He's not trying to, penny pinch or any of that. He gets a greater option here than he does here. So I thought that was cool. Now, all of their fragrances are certified skin safe for human use, and he buys them from top quality vendors. Now, here's the part that I love. He puts up no animal testing, well, unless you count Gary, because, well, he tests everything on himself. Now, the cost for this guy, and this is what tripped me up for a moment. Other ones I've reviewed have been a little different, but this one was equal. On Amazon, it's $18, and it has a 4.25 rating out of 5. Well, 4.25 rating out of 5 stars with 18 reviews. Now, over on Lafleur Beards, it's also 18. Normally, there was a little bit of a discrepancy between the two. Like, one was 14, one was 18. But maybe they're evening out their prices. And, hey, that's cool. That's fine. All right. Now, here's the fun part for me. If you've never used beard oil before... Oh, crap. I forgot to touch on it. That's a waxy coating on the top for that, like, copper color. And I believe that's the colors of one of his colleges that he went to. Don't worry. It's not, like, going to snap off or do anything bad. It's just coating the top. As you can kind of see. But if you're unfamiliar with how to use beard oil, all right, I'm going to give you a really, really quick run through on it. It's got 3 great purposes, okay? First of all, it's a vitamin supplement for your skin. Seriously. Beard oil is more for your skin under your beard than it is for your beard. Here's why. I want you to try an experiment sometime if you feel up to it. Go a couple days without showering. You already know this is going to get very, very greasy. Your beard is going to get very dry, very brittle, very bird's nesty. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils, and sebum is one of the big ones, in order to keep your beard growing out, keep it growing healthy, keep it nourished, keep it beautiful. Beard oil provides like a vitamin supplement for that. Second thing, it's going to soften up your beard. No one really wants to snuggle up with a cactus, seriously. Try that with your better half when you're all dry and scratchy. She's going to Heisman your ass in a heartbeat. The whoo. And third, that scent profile is going to get into your beard and it's going to linger there. And if it's a profile that agrees with you, it's going to smell beautiful for a while. And you're going to have that soft beard, smells great. People are going to want to get near you. 3 great benefits. Now, how to use it. Okay. Now, with Gary's beard oils, he has a restrictor top. Okay. I like what he did with this. Normally, I have a real pain in the ass with restrictor tops. I seriously do. Because I'm tapping on the bottom of the bottle. I feel like an awkward idiot, like I'm going to smack it too hard. My beard oil is going to go flying. Gary did something a little different. All right. Now, hopefully, you can see this. Oh, come on, you jerk. Now you're not going to do it. There we go. You can control the flow just by turning it upside down. And there's his oil. What you do from that point after you get as much in your hands as you need is you just rub your hands together. It's going to really activate that scent profile so you can smell it. See, like right now, I'm seriously smelling the lavender more than I did the bourbon. But last time when I put it in my beard, and yeah, I'm rubbing it on my arms because I've got something in there right now that I'm testing out, and those scent profiles won't mix good together. Trust me, they won't. Basically, you get it, rub it down in your beard all the way down to your skin, and you groom it out to however you want your beard to look. So, There you go. Some background on the company, a great product, and how to use it. Now, here's the best part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I want to know, have you used Lafleur and Company before? Have you had successes with them? Have you had any failures with them? Have you had any interactions with them? I'll be honest with you. After I did the first video and beat him up pretty bad, Gary, the owner, reached out. We had a talk via Instagram, and man, he cleared up everything right away. I don't know very many small batch people who will do that and go, wow, we got these problems, let's get them addressed. He did it. Man, he's got me hooked for life. He really does. He is going to be one of my go-to choices for a very long time. And no, I'm not kissing his butt. I'm not being paid to say this. I'm not, any affiliate. It's just me doing a review and giving you my honest feedback. But, it's great stuff. Check it out. Now that I know I'm rambling, because I'm tired and I can already feel it, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, like I told you, we do things really, really differently, and I hope you like what you saw. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, I believe it's right down there. Take a look right there. You should see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. You're going to want to knock that out the way, and then go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it, or the notification icon. Your choice. Why? Well, here's why. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they believe are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. Lafleur and Company's The Bradley Beard Oil. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.